Good morning. I Today I would like to discuss importance of cost audit and argument against cost audit. First of all, I will discuss importance of cost audit. Cost audit has assumed much importance for the companies engaged in manufacturing, mining, etc. Different group of persons associated with the enterprise recognize the need for cost audit because of the advantages associated with it. Some of these are as follows. First one, for management. For management group, number one, determination and allocation of cost of product. Second one, helps to identify wastage, inconsistency, and irregularity in production and thus take corrective measures. Third one, ensures that the cost accounts have been maintained in accordance with the principles of the costing employed in the industry concerned. Fourth one, serve as a basis for making important decisions such as discontinuing a particular product, make or buy an input, etc. Fifth one, helps in proper valuation of inventory. Next, for a group of shareholders, importance of cost accounting for group of shareholders. Number one, serve as a measure to determine the managerial efficiency or otherwise. Number two, serve as a tool to know whether resources are being properly utilized. Optimum utilization of resources would lead to wealth appreciation. Next, importance of cost audit for the government. First one, provide reliable data to the government for deciding whether to offer any subsidy or extend tariff protection to a particular industry. Number two, helps to tax the prices of commodities under a scheme of price control. Number three, helps to curb profiteering in case of scarce goods. Number four, serve as a basis to charge tax on the cost of finished goods. Importance of cost audit for miscellaneous purpose. Number one, facilitate settlement of industrial dispute. Number two, ensures that consumers get the product at fair price. Number three, helps the association of various industries to compile standard costs against which individual firm may compare their actual cost figures. Now, I would like to discuss argument against cost audit. First one, that is the introduction of cost audit in various industries has been criticized on certain ground. First one, cost audit leads to duplication of work because large area of workings of financial and cost accounts is common. Second one, cost audit may be considered an expensive luxury because an additional cost is to be incurred on cost audit. Third one, conduct of cost audit by outsiders may do harm to the interest of the company, as the secrecy in cost accounts may not be maintained. Fourth one, the provisions that cost report must be presented within 60 days before the general meeting is unrealistic. Fifth one, it may be argued that most of the accounts under cost audit are only audited by financial audit. Sixth one, there is shortage of cost accountant in the country, and in many cases, financial auditors perform the duties of cost auditors also. Conducting cost audit in such a manner will be a formality only. With this word, I conclude my lecture for today. Thank you so much.